Alright, so today I'll be taking you through a Photoshop tutorial of how to design a simple poster flyer like this one. So this is already designed by me, but then I'll show you how I got the inspiration and also I'll start by turning off most of the layers which I do not need. Let me arrange this wall so that I could see the layers clearly. So I would make the color panel a little bit more smaller. Then the artboards, I'm using an artboard in case I want to do different kinds of designs, poster designs. Alright, so I came up with a lot of concepts and I think the best is what you are seeing on your screen right now. So then let's dive straight into it. Okay, so first of all, since I'm planning on doing this video under 10 minutes, I'll just teach you this. So the fonts I used for the typography, or the typeface I used for the Happy New Month is Blackstreet. Okay, Blackstreet. You could use any other font which is a little bit cursive or a little bit script wise. It would work fine. And also I wanted to use a little bit of a funky font, so I used the Fido font to write the hello, so you could see the text in my layer. So hello, it's here, and then it's the Fido font I used, FIDO, Fido font or Fido typeface or typography. Alright, so that being said, I just had to put rock graphics here, making every pixel work for you. So rock graphics is right in the corner there to give it a balance. And then this is how I got my grid. Okay, so I went to view and I went to guides, then I went to new guide layout. So if I click on new guide layout, I get to choose from here. You could use these ones later. Okay, you could use these ones by increasing the number of columns, let's say 10 and more, but I don't need the rows to can work around maybe 4 or something, just so it's divided, but I don't need them right now, so I'll just clear all of these. Then I set the top to, I check margin, set the top to 80, left to 80, bottom to match whatever was down there, and right to 80. So the bottom 110 pixels is what made it come up a little bit to fit the line there. Alright, so that being said, let's go to how I got my picture. So I wanted to bring about a little bit of a local imagery in my design. The picture is also real, but I've removed the background. So let me take you quickly through how I removed my background. Open Google briefly. So this is where I got the birds from Pinterest. If I go to Pinterest, you could see the skies. So I downloaded this very one. I went here and then downloaded the image. Okay, so we are done with the birds and all. Now I said I'll teach you how to remove the background. So so instead of remove background, you can use remove.background or remove.bg, especially with respect to quality of my image. This is free, and then there's photo room. Photo room is equally free, and I think I prefer that one most often. Although if you want a very high quality, you'd have to pay for premium. I've not yet paid for premium, so I'm just using the free one. So you go to photo room, remove backgrounds instantly with AI, then you start from a photo. You can drag and drop. So let's click on the start from a photo. If I click on it, I go to my files and I select the bars image I downloaded from Pinterest. So this is the actual image, and you can see it's removing the background of it, and it gets me this. So after it gets me this, I can download it. So it's already down. You click on the download, which I've already downloaded. Choose standard resolution. If you go to my downloads, it's there. Then I drag and drop in Photoshop. So that is how come I had this here. You get it? Dragged and dropped in Photoshop. Okay, so let me just put this right here like so. So now we have that, and quickly let me take you through how I did the base. Okay, how I did my base. I usually like to call it footer. So the footer of my flyer is where I'm going to keep some of the information. So this social media set of icons I downloaded also from online. You could just Google social media icon set and get it. So I downloaded and I added a color overlay. So this is how to add a color overlay. Let me turn it off. So it came in black and transparent this way. So if you want to add a color overlay, you could right click, or you could use a FX over here, then you select color overlay. So when you select color overlay, you come and choose the color you want. So I choose this color, the color code FCC P105. Okay, so that's how I got my color overlay for it. Then I came to write my text with Archive Roasted font or typeface, and then I used at Written Right because that's my Instagram, and you can follow me. You could also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Written Right, as you've been privileged to watch. And then yes, I also type the contact here to give you a balance with the design, and I make sure it's aligned with the socials and then the name of the social. Okay, and I did a little bit of an interesting thing. So I usually like to use rock, which is written right, my initials. That's what I use for rock graphics. So rock graphics, I typed rock graphics, or I typed rock is right here. I type rock, WROK. Then I use this font for it. So I use the barcode 128 font. You could download it. This is the font I use for it. You could download it, and then you could also use it. It gives you a barcode type of thing. I just also used it to give a balance in my design. Alright, so that being said, with this I drew a rectangle I could move around. So I just drew a rectangle and place it in there. Okay, made it. Alright, so let me put it back. So now, how did I get the November text to be that long? So I'm going to teach you how I did it. Okay, and I placed it behind the image, behind the bars. Okay, so this is the font I used for the November text. I'm coming to rewrite it. So you type, let me increase my font size a bit. November. Okay, so I've typed November. I use Ctrl A to select all. Then let's change the color to white. Okay, then you reduce the font size like so. Then I come to teach you the particular font type I used. So it's called Nagasaki Regular. So I select Nagasaki Regular. You could download it online. Nagasaki Regular font. Then I've selected Nagasaki Regular font. I wanted a font which more or less like bring lines, okay, because I already have some leading lines in the bars over here. You can see there are some two black stripes line on the bars, so I wanted to just create a balance with that. So I used the Nagasaki Regular font. You could download. Then I enlarged it like so. I have barely 4 seconds left, so let me teach you the magic I did. So after that, I selected the typeface and went to the layer, right clicked, then I clicked on convert to shape. Okay, so if you convert to shape, you see that it brings out all the pixel points at the edges. Then I use this tool right here, direct selection tool. If you don't have it, you could use this edit toolbar option to add it up, but then let's see, because of time, direct selection tool. So direct selection tool, then I come and highlight the base of the text. Okay, just the base of the text. Then holding shift and then the down key, or you could just highlight and drag down, but I'm using the shift and the down key to get it more accurate so that it doesn't shift. So I use the shift and the down key to drag it long to make it create an extension. So you could drag it as far as you want it, and you realize that it's been dragged like so. So this is the shift and down key I'm using to drag it. So that's the effect. So if you want to create an effect like this is how you go about it. So I'm turning on my layer again just so that you see the final look. So this is it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share to your friends, share to your colleagues, and then leave some comments. Let me know what I can do better, or let me know the next tutorial you like to see from me. This is Written Right. Bye.